Social media is creating panic about this budget change.
No, actually, I have seen one in one Facebook. They have said that after 29th of April, there will be a more than 45 to 50 degree temperature. That actually, it is a heinous crime, as per my knowledge. It should be treated as a heinous crime. Otherwise, people will become a panic. Since there are more than 30 to 40% people are staying under some that high temperature area in the villages, and the patients, school students, and mother babies. So if you spread like this, it will be definitely a problem for the ultimate rural citizens. It should be avoided. And we should plan for penalizing these peoples.
You said it's heinous crime. Why don't the department take action on that?
Yeah, this is recently it is being happened. First time I have seen. I don't know in the earlier cases, but first time I have seen that that message circulating in most of the social medias.
You want to give any message to people who are circulating this kind of false
No, don't worry. It's always there. We should take up whatever the instruction given by the district administration. They should adhere to that instruction. That is more than enough.